In this video, we will cover how to load a .irx prescription on an application configuration run screen on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Start Field Operation button. Select the correct growing season and grower. Select the correct farm and field. Select the correct operating configuration. Select the correct product. Press New Map to create a new event, or Add to Last Map to continue an event. Press the green check mark. Press the Rate button. Press the Application Rate Control Configuration button. Press the Prescription button. Select the correct .irx file. Press the green check mark. Press the green check mark again. Press the Run Screen button. And as you can see, our prescription is now loaded. We have now covered how to load a .irx prescription on an application configuration run screen on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the home page.